a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt.
Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. I am back with a new video for this 2025. We are resetting our homes, we're cleaning up, putting things away. I am back from 2 weeks or so vacation back in my country with family and friends. I'm so grateful that it happened. We had an amazing time there. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas season as well. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. There's so much to do and I'm so grateful to be back. Let's go ahead and get started.
I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay.
To start off my to-do list, I am tackling the home office. We'll be doing the office, the living area, and the entrance, basically the main floor. And I will be giving you some organization tips on how I organize all of my seasonal decor and some items that I believe that they are essential to keep all of our seasonal decor neat and tidy, ready to be used in a few months. As many of you know, I love Christmas. I have 4 Christmas trees right now in my home. I have one here, as you can see, the one in the living room, one in my bedroom, and one in my baby girl's bedroom. So there's 4 trees, and I have decoration all over the house, and it feels so nice to undecorate and declutter and have a fresh start for the new year. Let me know down in the comments if you already packed all of your seasonal decor and you're ready to start this new year.
'Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
One of my most recent organization finds are these large storage bags. It comes in a set of 4. These are waterproof and huge. I'm storing garlands, wreaths, and stems.
Found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way.
The last thing I touch in every room that I'm undecorating is the tree. I already removed wreaths, tabletop decor, garlands, and now I start with the ribbons, followed by picks, and then ornaments. What I do with my ribbon or my bows that they already made, I save them in Ziploc bags, followed by those pine cones on any little item that I want to find and see when we start to decorate again. I put them in Ziploc bag, the large ones.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
So I moved some of the furniture here in the office in order to appreciate this tree, and now it's time to put everything back to its original layout. Some of my trees are from King of Christmas, including this one, and each tree brings its storage bag, and it's so convenient. But I also have some tree bags from Amazon for the other trees, and if you don't have that yet, this is your year to purchase one to store your tree. I store all of my seasonal decor in the basement. I use plenty of plastic clear bins for all of my decor, and now I need to purchase more of these plastic bags as well. Where do you store your decor? Finally, adding my olive tree back to this corner. This is a 6.5 feet tree from Amazon. I'm gonna link everything that I can down in the description box down below, and I also use these to move furniture around. Specifically is to use in carpet, but as you can see how easily I move this big planter back from the dining room to the office. It's time to move things around, and I'm loving this dining table, currently using it as my desk. This is expandable, as you can see here. It's beautiful and sturdy. If this is your first time here, hi and welcome. My name is Cindy, and on this channel I share all things home decor, home organization, some cook with me, shop with me, all things home related. And I would love it if you hit the notification bell and the subscribe button and become part of this community. It feels so good to see the home office clean and organized for the new year. And as we all know, new year, new goals, new personal goals, new fitness goals. And as a stay-at-home working mom, this bike from YESOUL, it is an indoor cycling bike and it's a total game changer. It was sent to me by the company YESOUL Fitness, which is a leading alternative to Peloton. This is their GM1 Plus bike, and I'm impressed. It has a large screen where you can monitor your miles, calorie burns, and other workout metrics. It was so easy to assemble. If you're like me and can't find your way to go to the gym and like to exercise at home, this is the machine for you. Love that it's easy to move and don't require a lot of space. It brings their manuals pretty easy, but also they have an app that will guide you through the installation process. You probably heard of Peloton. They make pretty expensive and high-end exercise bikes, and the YESOUL bike is much more affordable, 1/3 the price of a normal Peloton. I am unboxing and assembling with you so you can see you can do it yourself in a few minutes. I'll go over the main features as well as the YESOUL app. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the installation process. I recommend watching the video if you don't want to deal with the manual. Also, the style and quality looks pretty good. It's made from steel, it's heavy and stable.
Hello. Audio mode.
One of the main features is you are able to turn the screen 180 degrees so you can do other workouts on the floor instead of on the bike itself. You can loosen this knob to control the height of the handlebars and the screen and go through several adjustment points. Also, you can adjust the seat post height by loosening this knob back here, pulling the seat up or down. For more adjustments, you can loosen this knob to slide the seat forward and back a few inches. With this bike, I'm able to stream unlimited workout videos in the comfort of my own home from the YESOUL Fitness app. The YESOUL app is super simple to use. Choose from a wide variety of workouts, keep track of your workouts, and you can join challenges with other riders. And it doesn't stop there. You can also stream your favorite shows from your own phone, listen and watch some music videos, or watch one of your favorite YouTubers on the screen while working out. You don't need to connect your phone in order to use your bike. You can still keep track of your progress. You'll see the black screen with your data. Thank you to YESOUL for sending me this amazing fitness machine. It has a water bottle holder, so convenient to have it handy. You can actually store 2 water bottles, one on each side. Overall, I like the YESOUL bike. I can recommend it as an alternative to Peloton and also as an exercise stationary bike in general. If you're interested, please check the description box down below for all the information. I have a discount code of $100 off your purchase. Don't miss out on this great deal to start your new year on the right foot. Moving on to the entryway, we just have to remove all of the garlands and some of the greenery. I am not fully decorating yet for winter. I usually go straight to spring after I declutter my home, I organize, I clean, and then I start fresh with some spring decor. My next post will be organization videos. Please let me know down in the comment if this is something that you're interested in. Again, these plastic bags are a must-have. I store 5 garlands here and still more room to grow. I will leave the link down below. Moving on to our third and last room of this video, the living room. I'm going to start with the mantle, removing all of those picks first. And of course, I'm using a Ziploc bag for my dry grapefruits. These are the plastic clear bins that I use for most of my seasonal decor. They are available in 6-pack or 4-pack on Amazon. And I try to store all of my tabletop glass decor with those bubble wraps. And remember those dry limes that we DIY back in December? They are intact, as well as those picks that I cut from one of my bushes. These are boxwood and they are intact, you guys. Love it. If your ornaments comes in a well-made packaging, don't throw them away, save them and reuse them as storage. These were some of our ornaments that we picked up at Home Goods from the YESOUL collection. They had really amazing designer inspired ornaments this past December at an incredible price. After all of the ornaments are put away, it's time for this big tree. Again, Christmas always brings a storage bag, which makes it so convenient. And now I tried to remove the top part, but I couldn't. So I needed to pull the tree all the way to the ground because I was by myself in the house and I needed to get that done. Finally, it is done. It is put away. And my home is nice and clean and decluttered. No more Christmas decor, ready for a new start.
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive.
I hope you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It will help this channel tremendously. And this platform might be a little upset with me since my last video was in the middle of December. I hope you are ready for some organization videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Inspiration by CP. God bless you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Where I can't find myself. Oh, I feel